After months and months of heckling, after a oil change on my friend Sam's FJ40, or 1978 FJ40, she finally got me to come over and fix it. After we did the oil change, the truck was going down the road, and when you would give it some power, it would die. So initially we did some diagnosing. I thought it was the coil. She was running a DUI Distributor. So we went ahead and finally replaced the cap, which is on the top, has the coil part on the DUIs, as well as the rotor. Finally started up and drove up the street, was able to get into the third gear the first time in probably 4 or 5 months. So we're gonna take it on a little test drive and see how she does.